welcome back to another Doodle Duel. Miss C here, and just me for today. In today's video, there won't exactly be a Doodle Duel, but we will still have fun making art in today's challenge. For this challenge, we will be creating a monster based on a silly personal fear. Before I began my drawing, I tried to think about what kind of fears I have and wrote down as much as I could think of. I thought of a couple silly things like fears of being late to school, nasty styes on eyelids, zombies, and loose hair on the bathroom floor. After thinking about what scares me the most, I decided to create a monster based on loose hair on the bathroom floor. I will never understand why loose hair scares me the most. It just somehow makes me feel icky, and the faint touch of loose hair on my skin could make me get goosebumps. It especially freaks me out when the loose hair is wet because it could start sticking everywhere. As I make my monster, I try to put all these ideas and fears into one being. First, I make the monster look like it is a bunch of hair that is formed to look dog-like. Since it is most likely found in bathrooms, the hair is wet and has a collection of items found in bathrooms stuck all over its body. For example, there are toothbrushes, toothpaste, and soap sticking out of the monster's body. As I work into doing the line work, I really try to focus on showing the hair entanglement that wraps around the body. During the process, I draw a large variety of lines since hair is unpredictable in how it wraps around a body. Since the monster is so hairy, it leaves loose hair all over the floor and in its tracks. After I finish doing the line work, I begin to go into the fun part of coloring. In the coloring process, I wanted to make the hair look black but not use a completely solid black color so I can still see the line work I made. To contrast with the dark gray that I settled with, I make the object sticking out of the monster a brighter color. After I finish coloring the basic shapes, I very quickly use a big soft brush to get a general idea of where the shadows and lighting will be. The layer for the shadows will be a multiply layer with a lower opacity, while the layer for the lighting will be an add layer, also with a lower opacity. My last few steps were to create more lighting and values around the drawing. I want to make this image look like the viewer was holding a flashlight and have placed the light on top of the hair monster in the middle of the night. I create this look by enshrouding the edges in darkness with a dark color and in a multiply layer. I make sure to keep the center empty so the viewer can see the monster who is the focus of this image. And it's finished! If I ever saw this monster in real life, I know I would most definitely run. What do you guys think of this monster? Let us know! You can also show us your monster art by having your parents submit your art to us at media@teamprimetime.org. Please include the project title, student's first name, grade, and school. The selected artwork will be highlighted on Team Primetime's website and YouTube channel. Have a scary, but not too scary month. See ya! Oh, and before we forget, keep doodling!